Hello everyone. Cheese, egg white, banana, and milk. Something you find in your grocery store? Absolutely. Something you find in your trash? Yep. Something we're gonna make? You bet. I'm gonna show you how and why it tastes so good. So I've had some people ask, what can I eat that covers my protein need in a meal and also satisfies that sugar urge? I'm going to show you something that I actually started making. It's kind of crazy, but it tastes pretty good. It's pretty much egg white and banana. So follow along with me. Hopefully you'll like this. If you don't, at least you can tell somebody else that'll try it. So yeah, let's get to it. So essentially, you're going to need four things. You're going to need milk. Doesn't really matter if it's skim or whatever you want for milk. Eggs. I grab a carton of eggs. Bananas. How many bananas you want, and even a couple pieces of just regular Kraft cheese. And then along with that, you'll just need a pan and some fat-free non-stick spray. And it's pretty much that easy. It's pretty much all you do. Take an egg, crack it open, put it in, take your banana, open it, cut it in pieces, your egg white and your banana. Pretty easy, looks delicious. So we got that going for us. So we're gonna put in some milk, not too much, just enough. So you got that. Basically just pure egg white. I have 10 of them. That seems like a lot, but actually it's not that bad. It's just pure egg white. So there's, I don't know, 10 grams of protein. I don't even know. I actually haven't checked in a while how many grams of protein there are in an egg. So you got 6 grams, 10 eggs. So 60 grams of protein. Perfect for me. Just got done working out, and I'm going just to dump that in the pan. And I have that already over here. Have my pan. And there you have it. Scramble it up. I could have done this before I put it in there, but I forgot because I'm trying to kind of do this all with one hand. So yeah, just egg white, banana, skim milk. Turn it on medium. And we're going to let it sit till it starts bubbling. Alright, so what you do is grab your egg, crack it right in the center, so you have 2 pieces of an egg. And then you're going to kind of go back and forth with it. So this is all the fat and cholesterol in the egg. So that's one. Do another one. This one's actually broke, so right into the center. Split it in 2. Bounce the yolk back and forth a few times to get the egg white out. Well, you kind of drain it. It's pretty easy. Hard at first. And there you go, you got your pure egg white. And that's what you mix with the banana and the milk. So at this part, it's been cooking about 8 minutes or so. That's when I like to put my cheese on. I put 3 slices on, sometimes 2, it just depends. So I'll let that sit for about a minute or 2 until it's nice and melted. So there it is plated. I like this meal first and foremost because it tastes good. It's got my egg whites, protein, a little bit of fat, cheese. It also has something to satisfy my sweet tooth, which is banana, which tastes really good. May sound crazy, but they also thought putting a person on the moon and pineapple and pizza was crazy as well. So hopefully you enjoy this, and I'll show you a few other recipes as we go along.